guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm SadiaSlayy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this awesome black smoky eye with the shadowed wing. I mean, I don't really know if shadowed wing is the proper term because I definitely just made that up, but honestly this tutorial was going to be a contour and highlight video since the last one I did was like 2 years ago, and to be quite honest, I've learned a lot since then, so I definitely have to do an updated one. Let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see a highlight and contour video? Do you want to see a Q&A video? Do you want to see a video about my pregnancy, considering I am 8 months pregnant? I hope that this is going to be really easy for you to follow. I'm pretty sure it is. I made it as simple as possible, so let's get to it. So I'm currently baking. That's my way of protecting from fallout under my eyes from the eyeshadow, which most likely is going to happen at least a little bit. But if you're worried about it, then definitely do your eyes first, then apply your face makeup. So first thing I'm going to do is put tape on the sides of my eyes so we can create a wing with the eyeshadow. Now I'm using just like a medical tape that I got from my nose surgery, which, by the way, if you haven't watched that video, go watch it. This doesn't leave any residue because I have the powder, so when you take it off, it doesn't leave any kind of like goo or anything. I'm going to be using the Tartiest Pro by Tarte. I'm going to go in with this color here, the one that's broken. And the name of this broken shadow is Classic, and I'm using the Anastasia A10 brush, and I'm just bringing this all over the eye. The next color I'm going in with is Whimsy, which is like this burnt orange color. I almost always use an orange tone shadow for my transition color just because I feel like it looks good with any color you do. I'm just going to bring that color on my crease all the way left to right. And it's okay if you get it down here because we're going to be covering that up with black anyways. Alright, now we're going in with this color called Smoked, and it's like just a pretty dark brown. Now I'm using the Sigma E25 blending brush to go in with this brown shade, and we're just gonna kind of bring this above the crease of our eye. So I just keep going back into the pan and adding a little bit more. Back in the day, before I knew what I was doing with makeup, I used to take my finger, dip it in a black eyeshadow, and I'll go like this to put it in my crease. I'm telling you right now, I looked like a hot mess, but so many people would hype me up and they'd be like, oh my god, you are so good at makeup, like it looks really pretty. And then I thought I was really good at makeup, but I wasn't. So I'm just lightly going in with the A10 and blending out some of the brown. I didn't add any more shadow, I'm just blending. Now this next part is completely up to you. You can do like a black gel base, like a black liner on your lid, so that way it makes it a lot darker. I personally have really good results with just a really good black shadow without the gel base, so I'm going to show you that today. It's easier, it's faster. Now I'm going to go in with the color Punk. For this step, I'm going to use my finger, and we're just going to coat the eyelid in the black shadow as much as you can. This actually really helps with fallout. We are going to go in with a brush after this, but we're just coating the eye first. So now you want to go in with like a more flat kind of dense brush. We don't want anything too fluffy because that's what's really going to cause fallout. And because we're packing on the color, we need something more dense and flat. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Duo brush. It has like this kind of flat end. I got it, I think, in the Norvina palette. Pretty sure. Now I'm going into the color and just kind of patting it on there, and then we're going to tap off the rest because that's going to help prevent fallout. I'm just gently patting this on my eyelid. Okay, now I'm going back in with my E25 Sigma blending brush, and literally just like the smallest tap into the black, I'm going to go into this outer corner and just blend a little bit of that black into the brown. So now we're done with the top of the eye. We're going to put on the best lashes ever made on this planet, if I do say so myself. And then I'm going to show you guys the bottom shadowing to finish the look. Now we're taking off this tape to reveal this beautiful wing. This right here is the only reason why I would say do your eyeshadow after your foundation and your baking, because you get this really beautiful wing, whereas if you do your foundation afterwards, you have to be super careful to keep that wing intact. Now I'm taking my Sigma eyeliner pencil and lining the bottom of my waterline as well as the top. And just really gently, I'm bringing this liner down a little bit into my lash line. So I'm taking that burnt orange color called Whimsy, and I'm just doing it along the bottom here with a fluffy brush. I'm taking a dense brush. This is Morphe MB18. You can see it's like round, dense. We're gonna go in with the black and do the bottom lash line. You can see the difference in this one and this one without the black. This is optional, but I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow and this really thin, dense brush, and I'm gonna make it look more exotic by adding a little inner wing with the shadow, just very gently. So that way it's gonna elongate my eyes even more. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara on the bottom. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope that it was fairly simple for you to follow. Let me know if you guys try this on your own. I want to know how your results are and if you had any difficulties. That way in any future eye videos I can tweak them a little bit to make them a little bit easier. Or if you really liked the video, let me know that too, so I can keep making them that way. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep watching awesome new videos from me.